Are you tired of wasting your time doing low surveys that are going to pay you few cents? I mean, a lot of money. Sometimes it's not even up to $1, and you take a lot of time. And sometimes you do these surveys, and they tell you you don't qualify. If you are such a person and you are tired of wasting your time on surveys that are going to pay you less, that are going to make your head pain, that are going to make you waste your time and energy for nothing, then this is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you better and good platforms that you can use for surveys, and you can earn good money, even up to $700, and this money can help you to do some things in your life. Yes, it's not going to help you change your life forever, but it's a good start if you are looking for a place to start. That's what I'm going to share in this video: survey sites that are going to pay you better and that are going to make your life easier without having headache of doing surveys that are going to pay you 1 cent, 2 cents. So if that's what you are looking for, let's get into this video, and I'm going to show you this platform so that you can start earning this $700 and make money. Yes, guys, that's what I'm talking about. So, guys, this is what I'm talking about. The first survey site you are going to try is this one, which is called Respondent. Yes, guys. And on this survey website, they are going to pay you higher, because here they are going to be making money for researchers, for companies which are serious, companies which you are not going to work for them and they tell you you are disqualified, or we don't like the way you answered. As long as you have a good profile, then this is going to work for you. What you are going to do here, you are going to have a profile. For example, if you have a LinkedIn account, then you just go ahead and use that and sign up on this website, which is called Respondent. Yes, guys, and you'll start handling money. Their surveys pay really good. You can find a survey which is going to pay you $150 for just an hour. Surveys which are even going to pay you even more, because companies that are big and are good are the ones using this website. As you can see, Canva, they have worked for companies like Canva, they have worked for Microsoft, GoDaddy, and guys, you know these companies, they are big, they are good, and these companies are big in the online industry. The people use them a lot. So if those companies also come here to make research, that means this company is legit and it pays good. So on this Respondent, they pay their money via PayPal. But if you want to stand higher chances, guys, I mean higher chances of getting big surveys that are going to pay you money, where you are not going to be exchanging your time for 1 cent, for 2 cents, or for $1 for a survey. On this platform, you need to sign up and become a participant. And when you become a participant, what is going to determine your high pay is by using a good resume. Maybe if you have a LinkedIn account and you've been using it to search jobs, then you can go ahead and sign up using your LinkedIn account. So just make sure that you are using a resume that is very detailed. You can use a resume where you've talked about your qualifications, how good you are in English, because these companies, these websites that I'm talking about in today's video, they are going to be sending you questions in English, except one that I'll talk about at the end. It's the only one that I've seen that it has sent me a test or a survey in the language of the country I am in right now. And before I go further, I want to explain this, guys, before you go and start saying that I use this website and they didn't pay me as much as I said in the video. It's because of your location. Yes, guys, as you see online, people in US, they don't earn like people. Maybe you are in Uganda, you are in Turkey. For example, me, I'm in Turkey right now, or you might be in Zimbabwe or anywhere. You can still go ahead and try, but they are not going to pay you big like a person who is in US, like a person who is in German, like a person who is in UK, because those people have high purchasing power. They buy most of their things online. That's the reason why. Maybe you've been trying out a side hustle hustle. And what the person has talked about in the video is not how much you are making, it's because of your geographical location, guys. That's how it works when it comes to things online. Sometimes people in Africa or countries that are not top countries, they tend to pay them less than people who are in countries like US. And on this platform, they are going to pay your money via PayPal. And the good thing about it, why I like it, their referral program, if you refer person, they are going to pay you $19 for just referring a person. And that person, when you refer them, they will make their own money separately, and that $19 will not be deducted from them. This company itself, Respondent, is going to take $19 from their own money and they will give you for referring a person to them, guys. So all you need, you just come here and click on get started. You put in your profile as I have told you, or your resume, you've put it here. You can go to Canva and design your resume very well. It's going even to help you to apply for other places online. Then you sign in here, get started, use your email address, or you can sign up using your LinkedIn profile, your Facebook profile, as long as it's detailed and good. Or you can go ahead with your Google account. Yes, guys, and you start earning money. Yes, and they are always looking for participants. Yes, so you sign in as a participant so that you can take part of those researches that they are going to be bringing in, and you help change the world. Yes, guys, and you help change the world. As you can see, they have already 3 million participants. Yes, guys. So our next on the list that I'm going to talk about, it's this platform which is called Prolific. I've talked about this platform before on this website. It's good and it's going to help students if you are like you know more about homework, you know you are good in a certain area, then you are going to be helping some children with their homework. Yes, and guys, it's not going to take long. It can take even up to 15 minutes. They give you money. That means any test you do, if that test is for 15 minutes, then they will give you your money. Yes, if that test is for 2 hours, and it depends on how many hours you are going to spend or how many minutes you are going to spend. The higher the hours, the bigger they are going to pay you, guys. The less minutes, the less they are going to pay. If it's 15 minutes, they are not going to pay you like someone who has had done a test or a survey for 2 hours. So, guys, that's how it's going to work on this platform. And all you need here is also to come here where it says get paid to participate, and you sign up and you start earning. And if you are in countries that I've talked about, like Africa or countries that are in US, sometimes they will tell you to sign up and they will tell you to be on their waiting list. Yes, because a lot of people are applying to this platform, which is called Prolific, and they will put a waiting list. Then after some time, maybe they will answer you. But guys, what I advise you, you apply to all these websites that I'm sharing with you so that you can make multiple streams of income. You can apply to all of them and you be consistent on checking on their platforms, checking on their emails, because what these platforms are like, because they are paying high, it's first come, first serve. If they send you an email for a test and you didn't check in your dashboard at the time they sent it, maybe you go there after an hour, they will tell you, we are sorry, the tests are finished. So that's why you're supposed to be active and checking in every day, time to time, or you check your emails. And here they are going to pay you via PayPal. Yes, guys, and I've told you it's a good platform. Yes, you can click here and sign up. Yes, guys, and you start earning your money. Then the next platform I'm going to talk about is this platform, which is called User Interviews. I've also shared this platform on this YouTube channel, guys. Yes, and here also they have this section which is for participants, people who are going to participate in their research. Yes, they are telling you we connect researchers and participants. So if you have an opinion that you want to say, you want to change the world, then these platforms that I'm sharing for you, you can go there and give in your opinion as long as you follow the instructions that they have given you. Yes, guys, and you will sign up here where it says sign up. You will need your email address, and as I've told you, use a profile that is good, a profile that is catchy, a profile that is written in good English, so that they don't find mistakes in your profile and they don't hire you. So these are the companies that they have worked with. They have worked with Adobe, Spotify, Pinterest, and so many others, guys. These companies I'm talking about, I've already talked about them and I've also made my research before coming and sharing them here, guys. Yes, guys. So you can go ahead and just start signing up. Yes, they will pay you. Some tests can be even up to $15, up to $100. And if you are good and you are answering your tests good, that means you are going to be getting more clients to be giving you their tests, and that means in a day you can even work up to 3 or 4 tests, and that means more money for you guys. And the good thing about all these platforms that I'm sharing, you can go ahead and also use the referral program. Yes, the referral program, if you don't know what referring is, you take the link of this platform that they have given you, then you send it to another person. And when you send it to another person, if those people join using your link, then they will give you some money, like an appreciation bonus for sending somebody to their website, guys. And you are going to earn like that also. So that's also another way to boost your earnings, guys. Yes, you can either be doing this in your free time, or if you're a stay-home mom, you don't have other things doing, then you can be spending more time here leisurely. So another website that I'm going to talk about, guys, is this website which is called focusgroup.com. Yes, guys, and it's also pretty the same thing. They are going to be asking you questions. Yes, and you'll be giving them answers. As long as you follow the steps of the survey that they have given you, yes, guys, as long as you follow that, then you are good to go, guys. And most of these websites, if you are wondering which questions they are going to be asking me, most people nowadays in the top countries, they are buying their products online, and before a platform brings its website out, it will need people like you and me to test it out, to see how that website works, to see if the colors they have used on their website is good. So that's what you do. You test those websites for these people so that they can know that they are going to target people in the right way, and that's why you are going to get paid, guys. Yes, that's what basically you are going to do. That's what I've been seeing in these platforms. Most of them, they'll be asking you, have you seen any problem with this website? Is this website well designed? So those are the things that they are going to be asking you. And don't feel scared that it's going to be hard. No, those are the things that they ask you. You go through a website like this one, you check if the grammar is right, you check if they have designed it well, you see if you like the design, and you give them your feedback. That's what basically these all platforms do. Yes, you help them with the feedback of any new website that is coming out, of any new app that is coming out. Then also this group is called Focus Group. Yes, and you are also going to be giving your opinion. Yes, guys. And when you give your opinion, you get rewarded. And if you want to join, you come here where it says join, and you join as a participant, and you start earning your money. As I've told you, a 10-minute test or 15 minutes test, you can get up to $15, $20. So, guys, it depends on you. Are you willing to put in the work? Are you willing to sign up on all of these platforms? Yes, the higher platforms you sign to, the more money you are going to earn. If you signed all of them, then that means you are going to earn more, because that means all of these platforms will be sending you their surveys, and you'll be able to earn more. Then the next one that I'm going to talk about is this one, which is called Discount and it is also the same thing. You are going to be doing researches, doing surveys. Why I like these websites is because they are not like other platforms that I've also shared on this website, on this YouTube channel, platforms that are going to pay you maybe $1, 5 cents, and sometimes you do those surveys, maybe take like 20 minutes, and they tell you you are disqualified and you are out of the survey. But these platforms, they are not long, they take 15 minutes, their service, and they are going to pay you really good money. Yes, guys, they are really going to pay you $15, $20, $150, and that's good for your time. You are not wasting your time. So this is another platform that you can go ahead and sign up today and be an influencer for these brands. You talk about what these their websites look like, you give them feedback, and they are going to pay you, guys. Yes, guys, then the other platform that I'm going to talk about is this one, which is called user testing, and this is the one that I've talked about, that one time it can send you it can send you a test in the language of country you are in. Yes, sometimes I could get tests in the Turkish language because as I'm recording upon now, I'm in Turkey. Yes, guys. So sometimes they could send me tests like that, guys. But it's a good platform. They can send you tests in English, or if you're in a country and they want to do a test about a certain website or a certain app or a survey, but they need people who speak the language of that country. That's why if you put in a detailed profile, it's going to be good for you to work on all these platforms I've shared, because they will know what you are all about, your education level, your English level, and they can know which tests that they can send to you, because they send tests according to your profile or according to the resume that you used to sign up with them, guys. So that's how you are going to be able to earn and get more researches, almost surveys to do. Yes, guys, and these are the platforms that I had for you. Yes, just some extra tips that I want to give you. If you want to earn more, just go ahead and sign up to all of these platforms so that if anything pops up, you will be getting emails and notifications from all of these platforms. And another thing, that you should also have a PayPal account, because most of them, they are paying via PayPal, guys. Yes, they are paying via PayPal and Amazon gift cards, and only one pays via check. Yes, and Visa prepaid cards. So guys, this is what I had for you. You can go ahead and start earning money using these platforms. And if you're new to this channel, I would like to welcome you to your Dev family. Don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe. See you in the next one.